Alright guys, so let's talk about set metric 0. So you are given an n-balanced metric. If the element is 0, right? Set the entire row and column to 0. And then you just return. So let me draw a diagram. And wait, how do I draw it? So I will just capture. And here we go. So I will traverse the entire metric and collect the 0 self in the metric. And then later on I will just set a column, set a row to 0, right? So this is pretty simple. I'm going to just teach you the easy way. So it might not be the optimal way, but this should be easy. So I got a coordinate for the 0, right? Then I push into Q. So I have a Q. So this will be 0 and 0. This is the first one, and this is 0, 3. Alright. Then later on, I will just pull from a queue and then set a row and column, column and row to 0. And this is a solution. So this should be the easy way to understand. If you don't understand, then just think about it. What is the Q, and then what is the linked list? So Q, and I'm going to store the coordinate which is in array, and I'm going to say Q equal to new linked list, and I'm going to just making sure length is equal to metric.length, m equal to metric.0.length, for int I equal to 0, I less than m I plus plus, for int j equal to 0, j less than m j plus plus. If the metric at ij is equal to 0, right? And q.offer new int. I'm going to push the coordinate into the q ij, and this will be pretty much it, right? And then for right now, I need a helper function. My helper function is this. I'm going to just using the same name. Oh, sorry. And then I have the int I, which is x in j, and then I will have to this is actually update row and column to 0, right? So I will just say in n equal to metric.length, m equal to metric.length. So for int I, so I'm going to say what? I'm going to say, let me think about it. Set row equal to 0, right? So for I equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, and then metric at x at I is equal to 0. Let me think about it. This is column, so I traverse the column using the same. Yes, this is the row. Row is not changing. Column is changing. So this is actually set the row equal to 0, and then this is set column equal to 0 for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Metric at I j equal to 0. So column is not changing, and I keep changing, right? So this is pretty bad symbol. Okay, this might be it. X and Y, alright? Alright, M. Alright, this will be it, right? So while Q is not empty, right? Int coordinate equal to q.poll. Then I would just say update metric, right? So set 0, just update my metric, my coordinate, that is 0, and coordinate the y, which is 1. And I don't I do. Alright, and anything else? No. Let me run a test case. Alright, here we go. So this question is really easy. So let me just go over the time and space complexity. This is all of m times m, and for the time, right? And for the space, if you store in every single coordinate into the queue, this is all of m times m as well. So the worst case is all of m times m, and n represent the length of the metric, m represent the metric 0. So mm, mm doesn't matter. Alright, so this will be a solution, and I will see you next time. Bye.